Nakabasket. Hindi ka pa rin.
I think someone wants an award tonight.
Pwede mo nominate.
That's true. Well, tamang-tama yan dahil ngayong gabi, isang himala ang ating matutunghayan. Kaya naman may way for Between Escalante, Sweet Lantaran Yongson, Roy Mena, Vic Robinson, David Ezra, Noemi Gonzalez, Kaki Teodoro, and Isel Santos, the cast of Isa Himala!
We're here to celebrate. walang love life right now.
Love life. Open ako sa love life. And open ako sa love life.
Pero do you go out? Nakikipagay ka ba or?
Yeah, sinasabi ko lagi sa mga videos na artists. Yung iba naman siguro kilala nila kasi. Open ako.
Open ka lang.
Kasi kami nagmamahal sa'yo, so why not?
Diba ako naman? Ito ako naman. Maraming salamat. Picture lang, okay lang? See.
Yes, we are back. Welcome back to Philippine Cinema's most prestigious event of the year. This is the MMFF 50 Kapitang Parangal.
It is indeed an eventful celebration para sa Golden Edition ng Metro Manila Film Festival. Kaya naman all the artists, filmmakers, and producers have pulled out all the stops to showcase their amazing work.
That's right, Gabby. We all gathered tonight kasama ang mga industry greats and new generation artists to pay tribute to the art of Pinoy filmmaking.
Ayan, 5 dekada ng paggawa ng mga dekalidad na pelikula at ngayong gabi para arangalahan ang bawat isa for their brilliant works and outstanding talent. Yup, tonight the stars will shine bright. Kaya naman, let's kickstart the show with our first presenters of the evening. Mula sa MMFF 50 official MC Uninvited, ito na ang mahuhusay na aktor ng kanilang henerasyon. Please welcome Gabby Padilla and Eliza Carlas.
Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, tradisyon na ang Parade of Stars ng Metro Manila Film Festival.
Ako, kayo no? Yun. Importante. Jenny, how do you feel watching your husband on screen that he is such an amazing actor?
Siyempre para sa akin, hindi question yun kasi kahit ano ipaportray mo kay Dennis, ginagawa naman ang kala.
Thank you so much. Congratulations, you guys.
Nakakalakas na kitulong sa pelikula namin kasi nagdugmaw para siyang apoy na kumakala at maraming nagkakaroon ng curiosity na panoorin talaga yung pelikula namin. Maraming salamat po. Kung sakali mo na actor, hindi ko rin na-identify ever yung sarili ko sa buwan. Kaya mas best actor kung sakali. Thank you!
Merry Christmas to you. Icon walking is yours. Chanda Romero.
This is all a blessing to us. Ang galing. Metro Manila Film Festival is alive again.
Yes, and as you can see, everybody went to the cinemas. You know, so from Christmas onwards, sabi ni Jeremy Don Marcos ito, 30% higher gross ticket sales from last year.
Good. That's so nice. So this is my 50th year. I was in the first Metro Manila Film Fest in September 19.
Hello. Quick interview lang. How does it feel now part of the 50th MMFF? And ang daming good reviews ng stage.
Wow. It's such an honor to me. I feel so lucky to be here. I feel so lucky to be able to still do what I love and to be around all these big names. It's such a humbling experience.
And ano yung dapat namin abangan sa'yo this 2025?
Again?
Mga dapat namin abangan sa'yo. Like,
we're gonna have well, it was a silent 2024. So we're praying for the best this 2025. All the best. everything. Movies, series, lahat. Gusto ko mag-theater eh. Gusto ko mag-musical. Sobrang fan ako ni Troy Bolton dati, yung High School Musical. So, feeling ko masaya gumawa ng musical movie. I would love to be part of it.
In a play din, di ba? Pwede din. In a play, pwede din. In a theater play, pwede din.
Oh yes, in a theater play also, I would love to experience it. I think ibang klaseng craft at ibang klaseng joy yung mga buhaw doon.
And how about your love life?
Wala tayo doon. Zero, bokya. Wala.
Ayan, thank you. Invite ko na lang sila to watch Strange Frequency.
Guys, Strange Frequencies, Taiwan Killer Hospital. Now showing in almost all cinemas, so please watch.